Hey guys, in this video I'm going to briefly tell you about all the tools which we use in Flash. So let us go quickly and doing that. I'll just open a new file, new Flash file, new and ActionScript 3.0 file. I'll just get my default stage here over here, and this is my default stage. I can change my stage to whatever I want. As I told you previously, I can change the background color to something else like this. Okay, and my width as same, title, brief, explanation of tools, right? Description no need. Frame rate, you can just keep the frame rate as 12 as for now. Ruler units, pixels, and click OK. As you can see here, stage, or this is about the stage what you can define when you enter the photo, when you enter the creating Flash. Okay, next to here, in this we can see many tools over here, and first tool is selection tool, shortcut is V, and next is sub selection tool, and next is free transform tool, lasso tool, as you know I have told you in Photoshop, and this is the pen tool, text tool, line tool, and this is rectangle tool, and rectangular and old tool. You'll be having four tools over there, and as you guys see here, I'll just click here, you can just see rectangle tool, old tool, rectangle primitive tool, old primitive tool, polystar tool, and the next one is pencil tool, brush, ink bottle, paint bucket, eyedropper, eraser, hand, zoom, and back stroke color, background color, fill color, that is what fill color, and like this you can set to no color, object drawing, snap to objects, like let us go with everything. For in order to explain these tools and all, let me take one simple example by drawing in a oval. I will just draw an oval by using this rectangle and oval tool. Here I will just draw oval, so let me keep it as red color and the stroke be green. Okay, so this is what I did. I created. um, I'll just increase the solid color to 5. Okay, after you draw an object on your Flash stage, you'll be having many selection tools. Suppose if I want to move this object, I'll just select my selection tool over here, and I'll just click on that, and I'll just click on the object which I want to move. So I want to move this red color. uh, I'll just move it. See, so you can just see two, when I create any object, Flash doesn't know that it has two objects. You'll be actually having two things when you create an object, that one is fill and one is stroke. So this is the fill, and this is the stroke is the outline of that object, and fill is the what you fill in that particular thing. So when I'm moving this, I was not able to move both objects. So in order to do that, what you have to do means, you have to first select both stroke and fill. In order to do that, press your shift and press this fill and also the outline. You can see the outline over here, and you just press both. Okay, after selecting both, you just press Ctrl Z, so it's selected and it's free to move, right? And previously we have seen that it was not moving, so that is about this selection. And in order to move your selection, this tool will be used. Okay, and, in order to undo that, you have to press Ctrl Z, remember that, and Ctrl Y for redo. That is about selection tool. And next is sub selection tool. By using this sub selection tool, sub selection tool is nothing but where you have, whenever you click on that object, you will be having many spots, green spots and all. You can just morph it means you can just edit whatever you want. You can just create a different shapes for that. Like that is about sub selection tool. And Control Z, And next is free transform tool. So whenever you click this free transform tool, whenever I select on that object, I'll be free to transform. That is, I can rotate and I can skew it however I want. Suppose if I want to rotate like this, I can just rotate like that. And if I want to skew that, see, I am able to skew like this. So that is about skew, the transform tool. And next is lasso tool. It's no big deal, as same as Photoshop. You can use lasso tool to create something. Freehand tool, lasso tool is a freehand tool which you can do. And next is pen tool. It is also the same which I have discussed in Photoshop and all. You can start at one point and you can create something, some different colors, some different drawings, objects and all. Like this, with pen tool you will be able to create different shapes which you like. I'll discuss it more in coming sections. And text tool is for writing text. You can just write whatever text you you want, Rajesh, like that, some name, or just create, delete this. And next thing is line tool. In line tool you'll be able to draw the lines, whatever you want, whatever color. You can just specify the gradient here, and you can just draw the lines over there. And next is oval, rectangle and oval primitive tool. That is what first I draw from this. I draw this oval by using this oval tool. You can also draw rectangle by using R, like the rectangles and all. So that is about a rectangle tool. And pencil tool, it is just like a pencil where you can create something with what you can do with your pencil, you can do here. If you are an artist, it is worth. And next is brush tool. With brush tool you can just brush wherever you want, the object you want here. And you have many things in this. Whenever you come here, brush tool, you will be having many modes here. You can just select the brush, you can select the brush size, brush type, and you can select many things: paint normal, paint fields, paint behind, paint selection, paint inside. So you can just select all that and do the stuff. And ink bottle is for applying strokes and all. Suppose you want to apply stroke for this circle, you can just select your ink bottle and select the size, stroke size, and just click here. See, it is coming, right? So that is about ink bottle. And next is paint bucket. It's same as, it's nothing but filling a color. Particularly whatever color you select here, I will select this one and I will just fill like that. On what object I want, I'll just fill in that particular object, right? And next thing is eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tool is making you colors, whatever color you want, you can just fill that with that colors, same as in Photoshop. And eraser tool also, you can just erase that whatever. If you want any object to be erased, you can just go and erase that object. See, I am able to erase that green kind of thing. That is about eraser. And hand tool is for just moving your stage like this, whatever you like here. And next is about zoom tool. Zoom is nothing but you can just zoom or zoom in or zoom out. So shortcut key is control plus, and for zoom out, control minus minus. Control plus for zoom in, control minus for zoom out. And this is about stroke color, what you can apply for strokes and all. And next is fill color. That is whatever you want, you can just fill the background with that. It's same as bucket, uh, paint bucket tool. That is about a brief explanation of tools. Take care, stay tuned.